Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE announces free capacity building programs for teachers teaching information technology skill subject in affiliated schools across India. Department of Skill Education to organize special training sessions at Panchkula and Ajmer on 16 May 2026. Teachers of IT and other tech-oriented subjects eligible to participate. CBSE clarifies that no participation fee or travelling allowance and dearness allowance will be provided for the program, while registrations will remain open till 15 May 2026 through official online link. Descendants of Maratha royal families file PIL in Bombay High Court challenging NCERT's removal of Maratha Empire map from Class 8 Social Science textbook, seeking restoration of the 1759 CE map showing expansion from Tanjavur to Peshawar. Petitioners claim NCERT removed the map without consulting historical records or completing expert committee review, arguing that the decision deprives students of accurate historical understanding and undermines the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Maratha Empire. CBSE introduces two-level mathematics and science system from academic session 2026-27, offering standard and advanced courses to reduce subject anxiety and academic pressure among students. Standard mathematics and science will remain compulsory from class 9 with common prescribed content, while advanced level courses will be optional for students planning to pursue higher studies in these subjects. New curriculum framework aims to provide greater academic flexibility and respect individual learning choices within the CBSE school system. NCERT set to launch postgraduate and doctoral programs in education after receiving deemed university status from Ministry of Education, Government of India, to introduce MA courses, postgraduate studies, and PhD research programs focused on teacher education, curriculum studies, and educational technology. NCERT will continue to function under UGC regulations and NEC accreditation framework while expanding its role beyond textbook development and educational research. More CBSE school teachers receive interim relief from census duty after Bombay High Court extends stay on appointment orders and training communications issued by authorities. CBSE School Staff Welfare Association assists teachers in filing fresh petitions, while court observes prima facie that teachers from aided and unaided schools cannot be assigned census or election duties under existing provisions. Sainik School Nagrota wins prestigious Raksha Mantri Trophy 2025 for sending highest percentage of cadets to NDA in NDA 154 course, marking first such achievement since 2009. 35 cadets clear UPSC NDA written examination and 11 secure success in SSB interview with All India ranks, joining National Defence Academy Khadgwasla for training in Indian Armed Forces. Niti Aayog report reveals major gaps in school infrastructure across India, highlighting that over 1.19 lakh schools lack functional electricity, nearly 98,600 do not have functional girls' toilets, and more than 1 lakh schools operate with a single teacher, raising serious concerns over quality and accessibility of school education. Report also flags high teacher vacancies, poor learning outcomes, rising secondary school dropout rates in several states, and thousands of zero-enrollment schools, while stressing the need for stronger investment and systemic reforms in India's education sector. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.